Hi, this is Jessie Neese from the Tech Teach Grow team, here with another tech tip of the week.
All right, today we're going to talk about a couple of different ways to access your emojis when using Chrome or Google Docs. First shortcut I want to show you is when you are typing into any field, you can access your emoji keys by typing on a Chromebook Windows plus the period key, Windows period key, and it will bring up your character view so you can access your emojis from here and then select which emoji you would like to use. If you're using Google Docs, I'm going to go into a new doc, so docs.new. You have a couple of options in a Google Doc. First option is to go to Insert and then Emoji and select your emoji from here. You can also search your emojis here. Second option is to do @emoji, hit enter, and then bring up your emoji keys this way. And third option is to use the colon and then search which one you want. If you know the name of it or a shortcut, you can type in that way.